Hello traders and welcome to my channel. In today's video we'll be talking about the USDT dominance. I'll be using a 3-day time frame chart to analyze this and let's see what the outcome is. So previously on my post I mentioned about the resistance and the support level for the USDT dominance, and currently we can see that we saw a rejection, a breakdown you can say on the USDT dominance, and we saw the bounce back again as I've mentioned on my previous updates. And right now it's been already 12 days and the USDT dominance is yet to break above this level. It is still struggling for the breakout to happen, and also it is struggling for the rejection to take place. So the junction over here, which is at 6.5%, it is something very crucial for the market to decide where the next phase will be, whether it will be a bearish phase or whether it will be bullish phase in the crypto market. So the only decisive point will be this resistance. If we see a breakdown happening, that means the crypto market will rally further high, where we will see Bitcoin reaching all the way to maybe $40,000, and the other crypto markets coins like the altcoins will rally close to 15 to 20%. That is what I'm expecting, only if the rejection takes place on this USDT dominance. On the other hand, if the breakout takes place over here, this will mean that the market will drop, will show some bearish move in the upcoming days. Comparing this chart with the DXY, the US dollars index, let's see what it has to show. You can see it that the DXY has been rejecting until now. There is no sign of positive move coming in. It is still rejecting. It is also the 3-day time frame, and you can see it, that rejection is taking place. So if the DXY rejects, the rejection might be all the way to 101.5 US dollars. That's the expectation that I'm keeping, which means the Bitcoin and the other major altcoins have some positivity to move ahead, and this is the expectation that I'm keeping right now. The reason why I have kept this support level of 101.5 US dollars is because of this horizontal line and the supporting trend line that is intersecting over here. And the another support level that we can see it is the yellow dotted line over here. And if the DXY fails to hold this support, then this will be the next support level that I can expect, which is close to 99.3 US dollars. So this is what the market is indicating, and I am pretty positive about this. The only negative part about the dominance is the RSI level. Let me show it to you quickly. The RSI level on the USDT dominance is at the oversold zone, as you can see it over here, and this indicates a rally to be coming in. But comparing the USDT dominance chart to the DXY chart, I believe that there is some positive part towards the crypto market, where we will see bullish rally coming in, maybe for a shorter time frame, but we might see some positive thing coming in. Let's just keep in mind the key points is the 6.5% of resistance level, where the US dominance must break it in order to let the market go bearish. If not, the USD dominance should reject to let the market play on the positive side. So that's the update I would like to give. I hope you find this piece of video informative, and do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also do not consider this as a financial advice. This video is only meant for educational purpose. Thank you so much for tuning in and staying till the end. God bless you all, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.